Hi, welcome back to KSG. Today we are going to be baking with our food storage. Now this is our freeze-dried strawberries from Augustin Farms. This is something we purchased on Amazon. And also in here we're going to have buttermilk pancake mix. This is a really good thing to keep in your food storage because it's very useful in many different ways. Not only can you make pancakes, of course, but you can make muffins, you can make biscuits, you can make flatbreads, anything real quick in a fix, okay? So this is something really good to have. We also have our powdered whole eggs. Now the only thing in here is dehydrated eggs, which is really cool. Later, in another video that we'll link to, we're actually going to be making a sausage and egg scramble with these. And we'll show you that and how to rehydrate freeze-dried sausage. But for right now, we are going to make these muffins. It's kind of nice because with Augustin Farms, you actually get recipes that come on the back of your can. So this is actually one of the recipes off the back of the can that I tried. Now, first time, I didn't have pancake mix. I just told you to have it in your storage, and I didn't have it in my storage. But guess what? Now we do. It's in our storage. Working on that. There's always ways, there's always things to find that you can add to your storage. So never stop learning. So in this, we have 2.5 cups of pancake mix. We are going to add to that 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of oil, and 3/4 cup of water, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 whole egg, which is 1 tablespoon of egg. It kind of sticks in there. Mix that up real good. Okay, got that pretty well mixed. I'm going to add my strawberries to this. So here's my freeze-dried strawberries. They literally are freeze-dried, and they taste just like a strawberry, except they're not juicy, which is really nice. I love them just as a snack. And don't forget to take out your oxygen container, or pouch. And we are going to put about 1/2 cup of our strawberries in here. Now this says to rehydrate them. I actually like them freeze-dried because I think it gives them more punch. So I'm just going to drop them right in. That's good. I like a few more. Our oven is already preheated to 400. We're going to throw this in our muffin pan, and we are going to cook it for 14 minutes in 400. So when we come back, we'll have the muffins all made up for you. All right, here we go. Yummy muffins out of the oven, nice and cooled off. Remember, these are with our freeze-dried strawberries. Also remember that I told you I used pancake mix in these. These are a lot fluffier than the last trial when I made them myself. The other ones I made with just flour because, like I told you, I didn't have pancake mix in our storage at that time. So those came out very dense, kind of heavy. These ones are a lot lighter, fluffier, which is nice for a muffin. Let's cut these open. Oh, we got a strawberry right in the middle of this one. So you can see, nice and light and fluffy. It tastes pretty good too. They are a little, they need a little something. So maybe some butter. But we'll link to another video where we've actually made butter from powdered butter. And we'll add it to it and see how it tastes. So, this is KSG. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, let us know what you would like to see.